If you're from India, Nepal, or Sri Lanka and looking to study MBBS abroad, you've likely spent hours comparing destinations: Russia, Ukraine, Philippines, Georgia, Kazakhstan, even China. The search is common, but so are the concerns. Rising tuition costs, unfamiliar teaching styles, and recognition issues back home can make this decision overwhelming. Everyone wants the right medical college, the right budget, and a clear pathway after graduation. Let me simplify this for you. If you're serious about becoming a doctor, and you want real hospital experience, English medium teaching, and a globally respected MBBS degree, without going into lifelong debt, you should strongly consider MBBS in Bangladesh. Why? Because it checks all the boxes, and more. First, the education system in Bangladesh follows the NMC-approved structure, which means the MBBS curriculum is nearly identical to what you'd study in India. For Indian students, this means you're not just learning abroad, you are being trained in a way that fully prepares you for the FMGE or next licensing exam when you return to India. For Nepali and Sri Lanka students, Bangladesh offers a South Asian teaching environment that is familiar, practical, and well-paced. The instruction is 100% in English, which is not the case in many countries where local languages interfere with understanding patients or textbooks. The academic calendar is stable, the syllabus is clear, and classes are managed by experienced, qualified medical faculty. Now let's talk about cost, because this is where most parents and students start to worry. The cost of MBBS in countries like the Philippines or Georgia can go above 40 rupees to 50 lakh rupees, and that's just tuition. Living expenses, travel, visa renewals, and currency conversion all add up. Plus, not all foreign universities are NMC approved or WHO listed. That's a serious risk if you are planning to return home and practice. Bangladesh, on the other hand, offers a more affordable and transparent option. Most MBBS programs range between 25 rupees to 35 lakh rupees for the entire 5-year duration, and many colleges include hostel and food in that cost. There are no hidden charges, no donation, and no capitation fees, especially if you apply through an official admission channel like Fortune Education. Fortune Education is an authorized admission partner for more than 50 reputed medical colleges in Bangladesh. What makes them different is that they provide end-to-end guidance, right from document verification, NEET-based eligibility checking, and application submission, to visa processing, airport pickup, and post-arrival support. And yes, they offer scholarships too. Fortune Education has secured up to $5,000 in scholarships for eligible students, based on merit, NEET scores, and academic background. This isn't just a promotional offer, it's a real cost saver that makes medical education possible for thousands of families who couldn't afford private colleges in India or other high-cost foreign universities. Now let's shift focus to some of the top colleges you can apply to through Fortune Education. If you are looking for discipline, safety, and top-tier medical infrastructure, you should absolutely explore Army Medical College Chattogram, Army Medical College Camilla, Army Medical College Bogra, and Army Medical College Jashore. These institutions are governed by the Bangladesh Armed Forces and are known for their excellent academic systems, structured clinical rotations, and high FMGE pass rates. At Army Medical College Chattogram, for instance, students are trained from year 1 in both theory and clinical exposure. The teaching hospital is well equipped, and the environment is designed to instill both competence and professionalism. The same level of quality and discipline can be seen at Army Medical College Camilla, where students get early access to patient handling, ward visits, and medical simulations. Bogra and Jashore campuses offer similar advantages, with strong focus on medical ethics, public health, and surgical training. And what's impressive is that all of these colleges are recognized by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, BMDC, and they are listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools, WDOMS. This means after graduation, students are eligible to sit for licensing exams in India, the US, UK, Australia, and other countries. Living in Bangladesh is surprisingly comfortable. The culture is similar. The food is familiar. The climate is manageable. Most campuses have separate hostels for boys and girls, with 24/7 security, Indian-style meals, and Wi-Fi-enabled study zones. Students from India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka blend in quickly and make long-lasting friendships that help them through the tough journey of medical school. Fortune Education ensures that every student receives ongoing guidance even after reaching Bangladesh. They help with registration, hostel setup, orientation, and even support through the academic year if there are any issues. Unlike many foreign universities where clinical practice is delayed until the later years, most medical colleges in Bangladesh, especially the army medical colleges and reputed private institutions, introduce students to clinical exposure from the first year itself. That means you're not just memorizing theory. You are spending time in hospitals, observing doctors, understanding patient behavior, and gradually preparing yourself for hands-on diagnosis and procedures. This approach helps students build confidence and clinical skills early, which is critical when they appear for competitive licensing exams like the FMGE in India, the USMLE in the United States, or PLAB in the UK. Most colleges even offer focused coaching for these exams as part of their curriculum. So instead of doing a crash course later, you are learning the foundations throughout your study. Let's also take a moment to recognize how the medical infrastructure in Bangladesh supports international learning. Teaching hospitals are fully functional, multi-specialty setups that handle large volumes of real patients. Students observe actual cases across departments, surgery, medicine, gynecology, pediatrics, cardiology, and more. By the time you reach your internship year, you've already shadowed senior physicians, interacted with patients, and participated in ward rounds. Now, all this sounds great, but what happens after graduation? The good news is, if you've studied MBBS in Bangladesh through an NMC-recognized college and cleared your licensing exam, your degree is fully valid for practice in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and many other countries. And if you choose to appear for international licensing exams like the USMLE or PLAB, your foundation is already strong enough to take that leap. In fact, many alumni of colleges like Army Medical College Chattogram, Camilla, Bogra, and Jishore are now working as resident doctors, specialists, and public health professionals in hospitals across South Asia and the Middle East. Some have even moved into postgraduate training in countries like the UK and Australia. And when we talk about support, this is where Fortune Education really stands out. They don't just stop after helping with admission. The team provides continued assistance throughout your journey. That includes academic guidance when you feel stuck, document renewal and visa support when needed, emergency contact help for parents and students, preparation guidance for FMGE, NEXT and other exams. And all of this comes from an organization with over 30 years of experience helping students succeed in medical education. Fortune Education is not just a consultancy. They are official, authorized representatives for dozens of medical colleges, and their credibility is backed by thousands of successful student journeys. They've helped students from India, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and even from African and Southeast Asian countries to pursue MBBS in Bangladesh confidently and without financial burden. So if you are planning to study MBBS abroad, and you want a recognized, high-quality education, affordable tuition and living, clinical training from day one, scholarship opportunities, a safe and culturally familiar environment, and complete support from admission to graduation, then MBBS in Bangladesh is more than just an option, it's a smart decision. And Fortune Education is the team that makes it all happen, the right way.